Good morning, Jonathan. How are you? I hope you had a really good night's sleep and you're ready to begin working on IEP goals 3 and 4. So goal number 3, we are going to be measuring, Jonathan. And here, when we count or when we are measuring, our counting strategies are to count out loud. So hay que decirlo cuando estamos contando. So we would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's going to help us count. Also, we move and count. So we can move our fingers too. Like 1, 2, 3. Those are going to help us count so we can get the correct measurements, Jonathan. And here is the same thing. Están todos en línea. They're all in line so it can help us. That way we don't get confused. So now for today's worksheet, we're going to do goal number 3 worksheet. So find this worksheet. Y sácalo para trabajar en este worksheet, Jonathan. Se mira así, se llama Measuring Objects Blocks. We're going to be counting blocks today. So this is our worksheet. Make sure to write your name and you can write the date, Jonathan. It is 11/20/2020. And I'm going to do 2 with you and the rest you will work on your own. So, Jonathan, it says measuring objects in blocks. So we're going to measure how much the objects are in blocks. So by doing that, we will count each block. So first, let's start with this lollipop. Mira esta paleta, vamos a ver qué tan largo está, Jonathan. So vamos a contar esto y luego vamos a poner la respuesta aquí. So we're going to count and put the answer here. So let's count. So we're going to count out loud and move and count. So quiero que pongas tu dedito aquí y vamos a contar y mover. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it ends right here in 9 blocks. So how many blocks are there? How many blocks does it take to make the lollipop? 9. So we're going to put 9 blocks. Now let's do the pencil, Jonathan. Let's count how many blocks the pencil takes. See how long it is. So let's count out loud and move and count. So we're going to start here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Y aquí se acaba. So how many blocks is the pencil? Yes, 6 blocks. Awesome job, Jonathan. So that's what you're going to do for the rest. That's what you're going to do for this one and this one and this one and this one. Just count how many blocks there, how long it is in the blocks. So make sure you count out loud para que no te pierdas. And you move and count. That's going to help you. Okay, Jonathan? That's what you're going to do for this one. And once you are done with this one, we are going to work on goal number 4. Okay, Jonathan, so now we're going to go over goal number 4. And goal number 4, we're going to do addition problems. So we're going to add. And adding means joining together, todo junto. Vamos a contar todo junto. That is what adding is. And these are some strategies that we can use. We can use a temp frame. Like here, como they do two different colors and then you add them all together and it gives you the answers. Or sometimes we can use pictures. Pictures can also help us add. Or counters. We can use like quarters or jelly beans or little beans, anything that can help us count. We can also use our brains. We can use a number line, or we can use a part and then all together, which is the whole. So today we're going to use pictures to count. So find this worksheet. This is going to be goal number 4's worksheet, Jonathan. It's called Add It Up. Busca esta página y sácala. Esta es la que vamos a hacer hoy. So this is the worksheet, Jonathan. Make sure to write your name and the date. The date for today is 11/20/2020. And make sure you write your name right here. And this worksheet, it says add it up. Add up the numbers and the pictures. Then draw the correct number of pictures under your answer. So here they gave us the numbers, but también nos dieron pictures. So we're going to use the pictures to count. And remember, adding means putting it together. So vamos a poner esto con esto junto. ¿Cuánto en total? ¿Cuánto es todo esto junto? So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to count out loud and move and count. And we're going to count everything together. So let's do number 1 together. So it's 5 plus 3. So let's try to do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is our answer? Yes, Jonathan, it is 8. Let me make this bigger. Make it a little bigger. 8. That's how many pictures we have, and that's what 5 plus 3 is. It is 8. So now, Jonathan, you're going to do the rest on your own. All you're going to do is add this and this together to give you this. And the same thing here. Just count all the pictures and put them together, and that's the answer is going to be. If you need any help, Jonathan, you can tell me or Mr. Salinas. We are here to help. Other than that, once you are done, take a picture of your assignment and send it to your teacher. Okay, le tomas foto a tu trabajo y se lo mandas a mí o a Mr. Salinas. I hope you have a good day. I hope you are safe and that you have a very happy Thanksgiving, Jonathan. So I'll see you next week. Bye.